Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at partspeople.com. And in this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install your Dell laptop replacement part. Stay tuned.
Parts People. Shop for parts. Install them yourself.
Use this coupon for Dell laptop parts, repair tools, and screw kits, all available on our website. Links in the description below. Now let's get right into it. The first thing you'll do is loosen the captive screws on the bottom base cover. Since they're captive, they're not meant to be fully removed and should remain connected to the assembly. Use a plastic scribe to unsnap and separate the bottom base cover. Then use your fingers to carefully work your way around to remove it. Now you'll peel back the tape that's covering the battery connector. Then disconnect it. Disconnecting the battery is very important when performing internal repairs. This will protect your laptop from electrical damage. Unscrew wireless card and disconnect antenna cable. Then gently slide it out. Unscrew then lift the left hinge from the palm rest assembly. Unscrew and remove the display cable bracket. Disconnect the LCD cable. Unscrew then lift the right hinge from the palm rest assembly. Now remove the display assembly. Use a plastic scribe to unsnap and separate the back cover from the LCD screen. Unclip and disconnect the LCD cable. Then disconnect and remove the web camera. With the exception of hard drives and memory, all parts are guaranteed Dell Genuine and include a 1-year warranty, and all orders ship out the same day. The installation is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.